Good morning, Anu.
Good morning, Rahul. How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Do you wake up early every day?
Yes, I woke up at 6 a.m.
That's great. I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you drink tea in the morning?
No, I drink coffee. What about you?
I drink lemon water first.
Do you go for walk?
Yes, I walk in the park.
I also walk with my dog.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do some stretching.
I do yoga every morning.
That's healthy.
Do you take a cold sweat?
No, I take a warm shower.
I prepare cold water.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat fruits and oats.
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you cook your breakfast?
No, my mom cooks for me.
I cook mine.
Do you read the newspaper?
Yes, I read the headlines.
I read the sports page.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check messages.
I check my mails.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to soft songs.
I listen to English podcast.
That's help with speaking.
Yes, I learn new words daily.
Do you speak English at home?
Sometimes my sister speaks English.
I speak English with my brothers.
Do you go to school now?
Yes, I live at 8:30 a.m.
I leave at 9 o'clock.
Do you take the bus?
Yes, I take the school bus.
I go by cycle.
That's cool.
Morning time is peaceful. Yes, the morning gives a fresh start. Have a good day. Bye bye.